Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to convert your USB drive file system. So this is the USB flash drive I have. So the file system is currently FAT32. So in this video I will show you how to convert this FAT32 to NTFS, and you can apply the same method if your file system is exFAT. So let's start the video. The first method you can try is right click on your USB drive, then click on format. You will see this kind of small window. Now you have to just change the file system to NTFS, then click on start. So this will format your USB drive and convert the file system to NTFS. One important thing, that in this process all the data you have in your USB drive will delete it. So take the data backup first. Now move on to the second method. So in the second method, all your data you have in your USB drive will remain safe. So as you can see, I have some files and folder in my USB drive, and in this second method all the data will remain safe. So let's start. First click on this Windows icon, then click on this search box and type cmd. Now right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a command to convert your FAT32 file system to NTFS. So the command will be convert space. After that you have to type the drive letter of your USB drive. So my drive letter is E. Type this command carefully. You have to enter your drive letter here, your USB drive letter here carefully. Okay, then press enter. And this will convert your file system, your FAT32 file system, to NTFS. You have to wait for a few minutes. The process has been completed. Now cut this window and you can see all the data are remain safe. So there is no data loss in this process. And I will show you the file system. And you can see the file system has been converted to NTFS. So this is all for the video. Thank you.